This is the Cantonese version of the big and stiff power cord plug, connection plug, being the weakest link of the power cord video I have put up to go. I have put the video link of that English version in the description if you want to check it out. Now I'm going to start Cantonese. 我做咗嗰個 video 之後，有人想我做一個廣東話嘅形式，呢個video 講一講嗰個插子係最弱嘅部分。你嗰條 power cord 幾大條幾靚都冇用，大家發燒啊諗諗，你幾大條你都係想買條好嘅 power cord， 幾大條幾靚，你呢邊呢個插子幾靚都冇用，你都係插落一個咁樣嘅插座度。呢三個支出嚟咧，嗰個尺寸咧係唔改嘅，冇得改嘅，係定咗噶啦。你整大佢仲衰，你一樣嘅尺寸，你就咁樣插落去。呢三個夾係最弱嘅部分，點都係最弱嘅部分。你整到幾厚都係會弱。同埋有啲人咧咁樣掹出嚟嗰時咁樣咧都好啲。有啲人咁樣掹咧，咁樣叫佢出嚟咧，每一次叫你都整鬆，再整鬆啲佢，越鬆就越衰，越鬆就越大電阻，越大電阻你過電流嗰時咧就會產生發熱，咁就越低電壓就會越低。但係如果你咁樣成條擺咗落去，翹住條入邊條電線，然後再焊，呢條都係個 ground 都係螺絲再夾住之後焊，然之後再螺絲，咁就一定穩陣，一定實淨。但係如果你靠呢個咧，靠呢個夾咧插落個 IEC 座度咧，係成條 power cord 最弱嘅部分。我唔理你任何一個牌子，任何一個發燒友牌子，都係最弱嘅部分。係我知道有啲機咧就係有個 bracket 咁托住佢箍住佢，但係點都係最弱嘅部分。如果呢個一開始鬆咧，弱到咧條 fuse 都仲強過佢可能，因為你嗰個夾住佢嘅壓力咧就係based on 嗰個 pressure， 即係夾住佢嘅大壓力，大啲壓力就細啲電阻，細啲壓力就多啲電阻，多啲電阻就越嚟越衰。所以你買幾靚嘅 power cord 都係冇用嘅，因為你都用翻嗰個插子，最好都係成條 power cord 插咗落去，翹住然之後焊。但係我知道有啲發燒友係唔中意，因為佢要玩電線啊嘛，咁冇辦法啦。